Dito po kami sa Life Homes, bagong venue ng Vampire. Ito ang tinatawag na solo date. What can you say, Vampire Romel?
No comment. Basta sarap dito. Bagong place namin po dito.
This is our new place.
Wala yan dito.
The Vampire, no.
Wala yan doon sa...
Vampire new venue. Sorry ko. Wala ako eh. Wala, kapos budget.
Kita mo yung ilo-ilo niya nakaano.
No worry, makikita mo yung we're gonna tour you around this. What grill is this? What grill? Alin? What?
Rio Grill. Ria's Grill.
But soon, magkakaroon ng grill ang Vampire. Rio's Grill.
Ria's Grill.
Rio and Friends. Rock and roll. Ngayon, maulan. I'm full. Kita natin ang lugar. Oh, ganito oh. Dahil mga ilaw-ilaw oh. Ito po ang aming new venue. Why don't you sing, Romel? Sing it, baby. Yan ho, busy si Romel dahil sa kanyang business na autoload. Magkano pa niloload mo? Gusto mo pasuhin kita, ha? Papasuhin ko yung mata mo. Tenga. Parang totoo lang, ha? Ito ang aming Songbok. Yan na. It's time to sing for Vampire Romel. Ito, video nito, pre, isosolohin ko yung video mo. Buong kanta. Pangungan niya YouTube. Right now, I don't have, I'm not yet sleeping. It's better to drink than to sleep. That's Vampire Real sex. Oh. Okay. Okay, next video na to for Vampire Romel. We're gonna sing this motherfucking song. Okay. That's it for now. Check this out. Adios.